So you see in the thumbnail, I'm at the Sea Life Centre in Great Yarmouth. So come on my friends, let's vlog it. Starting the season, I'm going to Great Yarmouth Pleasure Beach today, but first I'm going to come to Great Yarmouth Sea Life Centre. I've never actually vlogged here before. I've been here before, but last year when I came and vlogged Great Yarmouth, it was COVID and all the indoor places were closed, so couldn't get in. So let's go in, use my Merlin pass, go in. I'll show you the prices, but I'm getting in for free, so here we go. Okay, so here we go. We're going to the Sea Life Centre. We've got some little quiz thing to do. Don't know whether I'll do it. We'll see. But here we go. Let's have a little look. Start off with some pictures. I don't think I'll be doing some pictures today. They never bother me, so I'll let them take their photos and I'll get out of the way. Okay, here we go. We're in. We're going to take a little look. It's a bit.
Yeah, I see.
It's always a bit crowded at the beginning, and then it filters out as you go around. So let's have a little look at these fish. Some lovely jellyfish. So here we've got an outside viewing area for the penguins. Oh, there's one. But I can't see any, but there's one basking in the sun. Oh, there's one swimming. Let's try and get a better view. Here he comes. He's going back in again. Hello.
Wait, who's the blue one?
Got a nice waterfall over there. There's one around the back there. Hiding. Don't know what he's looking at. Can we zoom in on it? It's a bit dark over there. Ooh, there he is. He's just looking at the wall. I think he's been naughty. I'm told to stand in the corner. And so downstairs you've got this nice little viewing area for underwater. When they're in the water, but there's not in the water yet. So there.
To see some eggs. These are also called mermaid parrots. I've got one in my hand over here if you want to come and have a look at one. So these are whale's eggs. They're made from keratin, which is the same things as well as on our fingernails and hair, so they're really quite strong and tough. You can find these also on the beach sometimes as well. And over in the corner over there as well, we do have a display case full of different egg cases. So feel free to go over and have a look and see what egg cases we can see over there.
don't know. I'm not listening.
There's an alligator there.
Do you see that?
Oh, have you got a crocodile on our boat?
Crocodile.
Is that a real one?
I think so. It looks scary to me.
Oh, if I can...
That's real.
Lovely bit of feeding around here. We got axolotl. They do this, they there's a albino type one there. I'm not sure if it's albino or just a one. I love how they sit with their hands up in the water. So. Oh, good look at me. Got a spot on the water. Where are we? Oh.
Oh, are they axolotls? They look like it. Yeah, there's background on it. They're in the very start. Let's go over there.
What's he doing with that? He's rubbing himself on that. Terrapin over there. Hello.
There was a space turtle. You can see it in the light.
There's a massive turtle.
I'm surprised the sharks haven't killed all the fish by now.
It's a friendly shark.
I'm surprised the sharks haven't killed all the fish. Hi,
We've got a little viewing tunnel here. You go underneath the
No, they
water.
haven't got number 7. The other one's the oceans. One of them's the reef shark.
What's number 7?
What, number 8?
What's number 7?
Swimming above your head.
Number 7. Oh, wait, it's 8, it's 8, it's 8.
Congested.
What's 8?
Number 8, 8, 8. Oh,
Feels a bit like Dover around here.
Number 8.
Where do
Our corals are animal response.
pointy down ones. Razorfish. Loving their carrot. Not sure if there's anything else in there. I think these poos are too big to be made by them little snails. So I'm thinking there must be something else in there. See you on the back. Oh, is that something there? Just a rock. Oh, a nice bit of feeling around. Lovely bit of feeling. Touch pool here. Starfish there. Another one here. This is kind of new because I don't remember this being here last time. There was a little touch pool in the corner last time. Shark's teeth. I don't know if they're real or not. They look like painted. I think they're fake. Just a bit of theming. This is nice. It's a nice little touch pool addition.
Everyone left me.
Okay, and that's all finished. I'm sure they had a little spiders and things here. Maybe I'm thinking of Hunstanton, but yeah, we're back in the gift shop now. Come out to the exit. So don't think there's a lot here, but it's Sea Life Centre based. It's all generic stuff, but these are quite nice. Some nice little pins here, $3.50 each. Some lanyards, face masks, bags, but a lot of it's all generic. Just animals, fishes and things. We've got cups, sea lifey things. These little penguins. I quite like that, bobbing around. £5. Photo frame. Kids' t-shirts and things. Bags. There's a few things. Little cups. Quite nice. Looks frozen. I like that. Got some fridge magnets. I like these penguin ones. I like the 3D ones rather than flat ones. They're nice. Some mugs. There's a shark on it. What's that, whale shark, is it? Ain't got one of them here. Bad feeling. Good stuff. That's a big old fish magnet, that is. Big grenade. I think they're all the same otherwise. And we get what are they called? Snow globes. Very nice. $7.50. And then you got little mini ones as well, which are £4. Sea Life cups, mugs. Very nice. And so over here we've got the Ocean Explorer just at the end. I think that cost a £5 a go, I think I saw online. Little VR simulation. Okay, so that's the Sea Life Centre done. That's not too bad, the one in Yarmouth. The one in Hunstanton is better. They've got more outsidey bits with seals, some rescue things. And they've got, like I was saying, they've got a little rainforest bit where you can hold spiders and snakes and things like that. So I prefer the one in Hunstanton. This is okay. The one in London's far better, but still, it's only a little one here. But there we go. It's the end of this video, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.